So with our demo project configured, compiled, and running, let's run some unit tests, and let's first look at the CMake list file for that. And we'll see here that there is an enable testing option, which by default is off. So right now we don't see any unit tests, and the idea behind that is so that there are no additional dependencies on Qt for the testing framework. As you can see here from the fact that we only test for the presence of Qt when testing is indeed enabled. So, and let's go ahead and configure this. We cannot do this from CMake, from CLion directly, but we can start up the CMake executable itself, the CMake GUI, and let's bring this up right now. And this is what this looks like. And there you see there is an enable testing option where the check mark is not set. So we can set this and then hit configure to run the new configuration. And as you can see, it rerun the configuration. It has detected Qt based on the information we put into our CMake local file. We configure one more time to arrive at a stable configuration and generate our files. After we've done this, we can go back to CLion, and then we have to manually, under Tools and CMake, reload the CMake project. And when we have done this, we will now see that we now have a new target here for our tests, which is right here, SSN test. That is an executable that will run the unit tests for the SSN class only. And for now, it's a good way for us to actually test whether this works or not. Usually we run tests in an aggregate form using a specialized executable. But for us right now, it's good enough to see whether this works or not by just running it manually here. So we compile it, and it will create the corresponding object files and executables, and then it runs the executable, and we see here that the executable consists of 64 unit tests that all pass. So our testing framework definitely works, and so we are good to go on this one.